how to find your QR code. Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to find your QR code on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo app. Once you are there, on this page you're gonna find the plus icon at the bottom, and here you have some options, and you have the option number 3, which is scan QR code. Click on it, and here you can scan QR code. If you want your QR code, if you want to find your QR code, you have my QR code at the bottom. Click there. Now this is your Amo app QR code. When somebody scan this code, they can add you automatically on Amo, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.